Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Y'all please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. We got a lot to cover today, so let's get into this. Okay, before we get into it though, I do want to tell you about the stun guns. I got a new shipment of stun guns in, pepper sprays, and the tactical knives. I got new shipment in, so I got plenty to send out right away if y'all want it. And you know the little button that I always give away free, the We the People button? You're still going to get that, plus you're going to also get another button that says Vote Them All Out. I only have 30 of those, so the first 30 orders will get one of those buttons also. So you'll get 2 free buttons instead of 1. Okay, y'all, let's get started. First of all, good morning. I'm sorry. President Trump is doing good. He is tweeting from his hospital room about stimulus. He is saying, let's get to work and let's work together and just get it done now. He says he feels like he could just get up and walk out of his hospital room. He's feeling that much better. Now, y'all, this is just me thinking out loud. So I am not saying that this will happen for sure, but I believe it could push the stimulus checks a little higher. Let's hope so. We know that the stimulus checks are safe. Everybody wants the stimulus checks. Everybody's agreed to $1,200 for the filers, $500 for dependents, and that would be for all dependents, not just a few like it was last time. Also, if you owe back child support and you didn't get it before, you will get it this time. If some of your bill collectors might have garnished your last one and kept it, they won't be able to do that this time. Basically, if you got it before, you'll get it this time, plus a whole lot more people will get it. Right now, it looks like undocumented workers will be getting it, but they're fighting about that right now, so that may come out. Okay, I want to talk about today's video at 9 a.m. It's going to be announcing the winner of yesterday's $100 contest. Y'all be sure and don't miss that video. You could be the winner, and if you miss it, you won't get your prize. So go over there and watch that video. Give me a comment over there. Let me know you was there. And just know, if you didn't win this time, you got a good chance of winning next time. And they will be coming more frequently now. And I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to have a money giveaway and then a good prize giveaway and then a money giveaway. I'm going to alternate it like that, I believe. I'm not sure yet. And it may be like every 2 weeks. I'm not sure about that either. Okay, y'all, I got some very important stuff I want to tell you that's going on in my business. It's very good. I don't want y'all to miss it, but that's going to be at the end. I want to cover a little bit of what we talked about yesterday. Steve Mnuchin and Nancy Pelosi are working hard to get a stimulus package finally passed. They both say we could see a bill within this weekend. Well, you know, today is Sunday. So here's hoping today will be that day that we see that stimulus package. Now, just because Steve Mnuchin and Nancy Pelosi agrees to it, that don't mean it's done yet. It still has to be passed by the Senate. And it looks like they will pass it with no problem. They are making very good progress on closing in on the gap of the cost of that stimulus package. The big thing that they're working on right now, and it's one of the very last things they're working on, is state and local government. As you know, Nancy Pelosi is wanting $417 billion, but the Republicans are wanting $250 billion. That's really the only stumbling block that we have right now, and they are working on that. And they should clear that up real soon. Nancy Pelosi and Steve Mnuchin talked with the airlines and told them to give us until Monday to come up with something before they start laying their employees off. They agreed to give them a few more days. This is a very good sign that something is about to happen. Whether it be a standalone bill for the airports or the whole bill being passed, we don't know. But something is about to happen. Something's in the air. And I believe Donald Trump falling ill to COVID is the catalyst that's pushing this. I may be wrong, but that's how I see it. Okay. The House is not going out on recess like they were scheduled to do until they've reached a deal. This is another very good sign, because they don't want to put off campaigning in their own home states. So they're putting this off until they can reach a deal, because they're really looking to pass a deal this weekend. We know they didn't do it yesterday on Saturday, so that leaves today to get it done. Maybe they'll get it done today. If not, surely we can hope for tomorrow. Okay, but that being said, as you know, Mooch McConnell, the stickler he is, he says he's not changing the schedule for the Senate. So that's the only thing that can put a crink in this. Okay, y'all, what I was wanting to tell you about my business. I'm sorry, y'all, I'm really having problems tonight with my talking with my dry mouth. But the thing that I really want to tell y'all about is I'm working on a new course. This course will be how to start an online business. It will take you step by step, and it will be coming out December the 1st. It will be the same price as the course that's out right now, $35, and it will be a very good course. I'm actually taking longer to work on this one than I did the one that's out right now. Y'all, I am also working on a print book. Several people has asked me about print books. I don't have but one print book, and that's the one that's in the frame back there, Mindset. So I'm going to work out a thing. I've got like 10 copies of that book, and I'm not going to sell that book, but I'm going to work out something in this next course that you can get that one free with a course, I believe. Okay. Inside this print book, I'm calling it a book. Yeah, I shouldn't call it a book. What it is a notebook, a 3-ring binder type book. It's going to be a thick book. It's going to have 4 of my best-selling business books in it, printed, and a whole lot more business-related stuff about how to start a business, what you need to do to get started in business. Also, legacy, building a legacy instead of a business. I'm going to teach you in that binder how to do that. As you know, a lot of people's got online business, but that online business consists of them. I mean, their family don't know anything about the business. They don't know how to run the business. They don't know where the money is at. They don't know how to access the money from the business. They don't know how to do anything for the business. Well, that's very bad, because tomorrow is not promised no one. So I want to teach you how to leave a legacy. I want to teach you how to build a legacy, not a business. That's going to be one of the parts of that binder book, legacy, not a business. So y'all be sure and check that out when it gets available. That binder is going to be very good. I'm going to be selling that alone, and I'm also going to be making a bundle with both courses and that binder book. This book is nothing to sneeze at. It's going to be a good training module for anybody interested in starting a business. So y'all be sure and keep your eye open for that. Not sure when it's going to be out, but it will most likely be out before the next course. Y'all, please check out the video at 9 a.m. this morning to find out if you won the $100 yesterday. I hope you did. I already know who done it, but I'm not going to tell you right now because that video is already made and published. It's just going live at 9 a.m. Y'all, please check it out. Please watch this video that's popping up right now and subscribe to my channel. Give me your thumbs up. Leave your comments. And just know I love you all. Now I gotta get ready to go to church. I love you all. Ciao.